substitute teacher for the day. Today we will be working on finding and approximating square roots. So, does anybody know what a square root is? A square root is a number, n, that is m, such that m squared equals n. Did everybody catch that? Okay. So, moving on. Finding square roots. The example is that we have a human chessboard with an area of 324. What is the length of each side? Well, to find that, you get your calculator and type in 324 and either hit square root, shift square root, or second square root. And that will give you the answer, which is 18, because 18 squared is 324. Okay? Let's move on to the examples. Does anybody know the square root of 16? Again, you do the same process and you will get 4. Because 4 times 4 equals 16. That is also squared. Anybody know what 64 square root is? Okay. Well, it is 8 because 8 squared equals 64. 144. This one's a little tougher. Does anybody know what that is? It's 12. Because 12 times 12 equals 144. Okay, for our last problem, it's 256 squared, or square root. It is 16. Because 16 squared equals 256. Everyone got that? Okay. Now, moving on. Approximating square roots. For approximating square roots, you have to pretty much find the square root and round it. A perfect square root is a number of a square root of an integer. For example, 1, 4, and 9 are perfect square roots because 1 squared equals 1. 4 is because 2 squared equals 4, and 9 is because 3 squared equals 9. You can use perfect square roots to approximate square roots of a number. So, for 51, you get 11.1 ... So to round it up, you get 11.2 or 12. That would both be correct. Second example, or second problem, first one. Approximate 125 to the nearest whole number. Hold on, I must have done this one. Okay, so it'd be 7. Because you'd get like 7.15, something like that, and you'd round it and you'd get, rounding down, you'd get 7, because it's closest. For this one, to the nearest whole number, it would, if you were just to type this into your calculator, you would get 11.2 on and on and on. So you would round it up to, or round it down to 11. And for 515, you would get 22.69, which would round up to 23.